Here we are, Allatoona Creek Park. Many biking trails in this area. Today we're going to do a little bit of this intro area to the right and Rusty Bucket. Here we go. Whew. It's a beautiful day today. Oh, got a jump coming up. Woo! All right. And I'm gonna go the other way now. Here we go. This way leads to many cool trails. One of them is Rusty Bucket. My wife was telling me how much she loved these mountain biking videos, so with her blessing, I'm going to be doing them a lot more. What a beautiful day. This whole week apparently it's gonna rain. And unlike hiking where you can just hike in the rain, you can't really, it's really much more dangerous to mountain bike when it rains. You'll like slide and fly off. Also, oftentimes trails are closed either the day it rains or even the day after it rains, depending on how slippery the trail is and depending on the area. We're about to get up to Rusty Bucket. We're still not on it yet. Here we go, it's coming. How you doing? That kid just did it. Let's see if I can. Here at the Rusty Bucket. And of course, it has a rusty bucket. Today's Sunday, so we're going this way. Let's go. This trail is very, very curvy, not too much elevation gain, a lot of fun, beautiful nature as well. I saw a mom and 3 of her daughters on this trail the other day. They're all in their 9s and 10s, 9, 10 years old. So if I fall and they didn't, then that'll be something. I feel myself getting better at mountain biking. It's probably like my 13th, 14th time. It's a quick learning curve. First time's the hardest. Second time's the second hardest. Third time's the third hardest. I did an expert trail the other day, all downhill jumps. That was very difficult, very dangerous. But I did it. I didn't get too, I didn't do it like the pros do, where they fly 100 feet in the air. But I got some air. It was a lot of fun. In times when I really need to maneuver, I feel like standing up is easier for me to maneuver for some reason. Yeah, if you don't know what to do one day, and if you have even just a standard bike and you're near the Acworth, Georgia area, come here. It's free. This will be like a good trail for me to start my kids on. I don't have kids yet, but when I do, just for fun. I don't want them to be like, I mean, they can be what they want, but do this trail with the kids for fun. Get them off the screens, get them in nature, make them much happier. Give them more memorable moments. You'll never have a very memorable moment on a screen ever. I do this to get you guys from the screen onto a trail like this. See, that's what happens when you take off one of your hands on the handlebars. that was it, ladies and gentlemen. So I hope you guys liked that trail. It was a lot of fun, very curvy, not too much elevation gain if you're into that. Thank you for watching. If you like the merch, send a link below. Have a good day.